Welcome to EUROPA Electronic Digital Lock. Let's learn how to use the EUROPA Electronic Lock. Let's start with EME1118BL. To access the lock, EUROPA provides the following options: fingerprint, password, RFID card, mechanical key. To process the system, first, touch the number panel, press the hash key. Now, enter the first admin password and press the hash key. Enter the password again and press the hash key for confirmation. Now, in the system menu, you will find 4 options. 1. Add user. 2. Add admin. 3. Delete user. 4. System management. Press once to go into Add user. Upon pressing, you can register by providing any of the following inputs: fingerprint, password, or RFID card. To register a fingerprint, place your finger on the fingerprint scanner and press 5 times. The fingerprint will be registered. To register a password, enter the password and press the hash key. Enter the same password again and press the hash key for confirmation. To register an RFID card, place the RFID card on the symbol for card on the lock to register it. Press the * key to go back to the menu. Press twice to go into Add admin. Upon pressing twice, you can register by providing any of the following inputs: fingerprint, password, or RFID card. To register a fingerprint, place your finger on the fingerprint scanner and press 5 times. The fingerprint will be registered. To register a password, enter the password and press the hash key. Enter the same password again and press the hash key for confirmation. To register an RFID card, place the RFID card on the card symbol on the lock to register it. Press the * key to go back to the menu. Press 3 times to go into Delete user. In Delete user, both admin and user can be deleted. In the Delete user menu, the first option is Delete by number. To access Delete by number, press once. Enter any user's number and press the hash key. The user will be deleted. The second option in Delete user is Verify to delete. To access Verify to delete, press twice. Now, by providing one of the following inputs, fingerprint, password, or RFID card, you can delete the user. Press the * key to go back to the menu. Press 4 times to go into System Management. In System Management, you will find 6 options. 1. Unlock. 2. Anti-tamper detection. 3. Restore factory settings. 4. Language and volume settings. 5. Time settings. 6. Network configuration. Press once to go into Unlock. In Unlock, the first option is Passage Mode. Press once to access Passage Mode. Enabling Passage Mode allows access to any lock. Press once to enable Passage Mode or press twice to disable it. The second option in Unlock is Auto Lock. To access Auto Lock, press twice. In Auto Lock, you can set the deadbolt delay time between 3 to 60 seconds. The company recommends 6 seconds. Press once to enable Auto Lock or press twice to disable it. The third option in Unlock is Latch Bolt delay time. To access the latch bolt delay time, press 3 times. You can set the latch bolt delay time between 2 to 9 seconds. The company recommends 6 seconds. The second option in System Management is Anti-tamper detection. To access anti-tamper detection, press twice. To enable anti-tamper detection, press once. If someone tries to break the lock from the outside, the anti-tamper theft alarm will activate. Press twice to disable anti-tamper detection. The third option in System Management is Restore Factory Settings. To access Restore Factory Settings, press 3 times. Press the hash key to confirm. Press the ** key to exit settings. The fourth option in System Management is Language and Volume Settings. To access Language and Volume Settings, press 4 times. To access the language settings, press once. You will get 2 options. To select Chinese language, press once. To select English language, press twice. The second option in Language and Volume Settings is Volume Settings. To access Volume Settings, press twice. For high volume, press once. For medium volume, press twice. For low volume, press 3 times. To mute, press 4 times. The fifth option in System Management is Time Settings. To access Time Settings, press 5 times. Enter the last 2 digits of the year and press the hash key. Then enter the month and press the hash key. Enter the date and press the hash key. Next, enter the hour and press the hash key. Press 6 times to go into Network Configuration. In Network Configuration, you will find 3 options. 1. Smart Configuration. 2. Access Point Configuration. 3. Version Update. Press once to access Smart. To access the network configuration, install the EUROPA Digital app from the Android Play Store or Apple App Store. After installing, open the app and press Agree. Press Sign Up. By default, the country will be set to India. Enter your email ID. Click on I agree and press Get Verification Code. Enter the code. Enter the password and press Done. Press Go to App. Now a window will open. Click on Add Device. Press Settings and enable Location. You will see 2 options, Lock BLE and Lock Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi by pressing on Lock Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and press Next. Click on Confirm the indicator and press Next. Your lock will be searched. Once found, press Done. To perform remote unlocking, press 00# on the lock. A window will appear on your phone to unlock it. Swipe left to reject. Swipe right to unlock the lock. Press on Member Management. Press the plus sign in the top right corner. You will now have 2 options, Family Member and Other Member. Press on Family Member. Press Go. Enter the home name, enable the location and save. Press Add Member. Copy the code and share it with the family member. Now, take the family member's mobile, open the EUROPA Digital app. Press the Me option at the bottom right. Press Home Management. Press Join a Home. Enter the code. Click on EUROPA Home to view the members. Press on the temporary password. Now press on time-limited password. Press Add. Press Generate randomly for the 7-digit password. Enter the password name. Enter the expiration time. Click on the Repeat slider. Press Save. The second option in network configuration is access point configuration. If your Wi-Fi range is low or there are network issues, you can use access point configuration. Press twice to access it. Press Add device. Press Settings. Enable location. Click on Go to Set. Click on Permission. Click on Nearby device. Click on Allow. Click on Turn on Bluetooth. Click on Turn on Now. Click on Allow. Click on Add. Enter the Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and click Next. The lock will be added. Click Done. The lock is now connected. The third option in network configuration is version update. The company will automatically update the lock. Press 3 times to check for version updates.